What is this? Potato. Okay, this is the potato, tomato, and cucumber. Where is the cucumber? Cucumber. Where is the potato? Very good. How the tomato? Tomato. Very good. Next, carrot, broccoli, and cabbage. Where is the carrot? Carrot. Yay! How about the cabbage? No. Very good. And how about the broccoli? Yay! This is the pumpkin, corn, and green bean. Where is the corn? Corn. No? Corn. And how about the pumpkin? Yes! Green bean. Yay! Do you like pumpkin? Yes? I do. Okay, that's the end of our lesson. Yay! Goodbye! Okay,